Yes, I will. Got it.
I don't know that we can actually go any further than where they are.
Oh, really?
Well, we might as well go down and see if we can't get a shot of the stream.
Yeah, a couple of trees in the way. It's about it.
That'll be an interesting shot. Huh. Well, I suppose I can kind of see it. Steamboat Rock.
Yeah, what's there and stand right up there? I got it.
This is interesting. What's that? You could. Hope there's another way down.
I'm gonna wait and let him go by.
Yeah.
Well, at least we're moving fast.
Yep. I can't zoom my camera out far enough.
I know. Look at that tree up there. I bet that won't be long either.
Yep.
Right on the edge.
Living life on the edge.
There you go.
What's that?
Looks like getting a little shaky up there. They're going nice and slow.
I think they slowed down a lot to take pictures here. Cave?
Cave? That's what they call it. But
Okay. And we just keep getting lower. Well, hello, squirrel. Yeah, this is definitely not one of your easiest paths or trails. This might get a difficult classification. Oh my goodness. It gets tighter. And I'm zoomed out as far as I can get.
You just can't grasp the majestic
No.
nature of this back here with the camera.
If you don't mind, take a step up there and let me get about 10 seconds of you, just so we can get an idea, so people can see the scale of this.
Where do you want one? Up here, right here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, that's good, because I'm just gonna, I just can't get all of it, so I'm gonna go off of you and just scale up. Yeah, you're good. Well, right here's how they did it. And I'm not going any higher than this. We're definitely going to take some stills from here. Yeah, got to get one while standing in the water. It is said that the state or some organization wanted to tear this bridge down and replace it with something modern. So we're not allowed up there, because we're not a registered camper. Well,
Yeah. So what's on this up on the other side?
let's go find out. This is probably where we'll run into that bridge out. Oh, another bridge.
That's not the one that's closed already, is it?
Well, there's no sign on it. It says stay off. That's an awfully big first step, though. You trying to say you're too old for this stuff?
Just ducking.
I think that's a pretty correct assessment. This one's tricky.
This is moist and wet.
I think that rock moves. Well, that's nice. Don't fall to the right. You won't stop for a while.
Yeah, that's a good shot there. Clear.
Yeah, that definitely got shelter up in there.
fell from up there somewhere and
Yep, that's where it stopped. But I don't know.
It's like a water bottle or something stuck up in that tree way up there on this. Way up there.
I'll be darned if it ain't. Yeah, I'm starting to wobble now, but yeah, that's a water bottle. And these things are towering over me. I'm going to go back up a little higher yet. Oops. Hit the camera.
Looks like a little cave up there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
And a nice overhang so you don't get wet.
There's a lot of them in here, isn't there?
Yeah.
I would promise you that there are kids that do it.
Not me.
Well, sometime back, a man named J.B. Priestley said, like its politicians and its wars, society today has the teenagers it deserves. I wonder what he meant, looking at the log. It's a structure of some sort and a rickety old walk that we're on. Ooh, that moves. In a state park? I could see a ranger maybe. What I'm thinking is we got to be near the bridge that's closed. Based on some of the conditions of the path, and that bridge up there doesn't look all that good. The house actually looks like it's got furniture in it, probably lived in, but let's turn around. Well, I would suggest that this is probably one of the least used areas. I'm curious about that home though. Yeah, this should have been a pretty good indicator that this is what the bridge may end up looking like.
Let me get one shot here.
What's that?
Let me get one shot here.
All right.
On this side.
Most likely. But that's John Bryan, right, that side of us. But yeah, a map would definitely be handy. What I should have done is gone online and printed out a trail map like I used to do. Oh, that's rocky. Look at that mess. We sure we want to do this?
Just so we go slow.
You say you hope it's not all like this?
Yeah,
Well, so far what I've seen in front of me, it is.
it is.
Yeah. Just don't misstep and fall to the left. You don't catch yourself right.
Yeah.
Looks like we're through the hard stuff.
Ah, level.
Yep. That's a bit of a ways down.
Yep. Definitely a difficult hike. I don't think you'll meet many joggers on this trail.
Yep. That side's no picnic and this one's no piece of cake, so.
Alright, good for our walk.
Alright, oh yeah.
Good for our walk.
Burning off the calories today. I'd say 75 feet.
I'd say easily.
But it's all straight down.
Yeah.
And this is as close as I'm gonna get. And we're on the North Rim Trail, right?
Yep.
And whatever kind of tree that is, we're pretty much at the top of it.
Yeah, I'd say.
And that's
a big tree.
yeah, it's dead. So I don't know if it's oak, sycamore. It doesn't look to be cottonwood or maple. They'd end up in it.
Yeah, it would be. This is one of those where you want to keep it. Well, that one place when we were at the Cuyahoga, I mean, some of those places were. Look at all the kids that were there.
So pick your feet up here.
Yeah. I think
I
think I'd stay towards the right in case I fall.
or even Big and Little Lion Falls.
Yeah. There's a deer around a bit. Right over here, I bet. I don't know.
I'm just going to dive in here real quick.
Dive in there real quick.
It's like a gate has been cut out of here. Yeah, this has been built. This is somebody's old home. Because there's another door on the other side.
More walls?
Yeah, but these are stone and mortar. We are in the remains of somebody's home. But I recall reading that what was left of it now has like sycamore trees or whatever these trees are. We've got something else back here. Smaller.
The door is over here.
I agree.
Yeah, it's a small room.
Maybe it's just a small cabin, stone cabin, cellar or something like that. That.
I can hear the water, so the gorge must be straight ahead.
That's all right then. I think we took the better of the two paths. This one might be a little more scenic and interesting. Stay on designated trails. Left or right?
Left. Looks easier.
We can do that. Yeah, no sense taking a whole lot of twists and turns and getting completely lost. See how far we can go. gone the other way. There's some more little rapids down that way, but I doubt you'll be able to see them. This is the point that you hit Cornelius Darnell. Escaping the Shawnee, a member of Daniel Boone's tribe, or bunch that were captured. Daniel escaped. Cornelius did later, got caught up with here. That takes a lot of balls. Instead of being tortured to death, he decided to jump. Took his chances. Wow.
So he just jumped in the water.
Well,
I
that's...
wonder if that'd be deep enough.
That do make a pretty frothy pool there, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
No way to get at it at all, because there's even another mini set behind this.
Looks like we're getting away from it now.
It's got all kinds of these little waterfalls. So, how far you want to take this down?
Until it goes, I don't know.
Till we get tired of it?
Yeah. As I say, we've got some pretty good water shots back there. That was the best ones of the day, I think.
I don't think, I'll agree with you, but I don't think we're going to have the opportunity to get down by the water side like we did the other route.
Yeah.
Well, that's another parking lot. You think this is the end of it?
I think so.
All right. We've come to the end of the trail. This is Jack. We've been at Clifton Gorge. Been here with my buddy Bob Whitmire. R.A.Witt photos. Anyway, Clifton Gorge. Been a good trip. One thing to note, where we park, it is a high crime area. So do not leave your valuables in the car. Find a way to bag them up, carry them with you, or leave them to home. Anyway, this is Jack. You know I love the outdoors. Love doing this for you. But right now, I'm Dunrovin.